Hello everyone. Today we are solving a classic calculus problem where we need to find the area enclosed by a curve and the x-axis. We have the curve y equals x squared minus 3x minus 4, bounded by the x-axis and the vertical lines x equals -1 and x equals 6. Our goal is to find the area of the region enclosed by the curve and the lines x equal -1 and x equals 6. The biggest mistake students make here is just integrating from -1 straight to 6. If you do that, you will get the wrong answer. Why? Because area enclosed means physical area. If the graph dips below the x-axis, the integral will give a negative value, which subtracts from the total area. So, step 1 is to find out where this graph crosses the x-axis. We set that equation to 0. X squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. We can factor this easily. We need numbers that multiply to -4 and add to -3. That gives us x minus 4 and x plus 1 equals 0. So our roots are x minus 4 equals 0, so x equals 4. X plus 1 equals 0, so x equals -1. Look at the sketch. Since this is a positive x squared parabola, it opens upwards. Between -1 and 4, the graph is below the axis. From 4 to 6, it is above the axis. This means we have to split our integral into two parts. Let's set up the area calculation. Area 1 is from x equals -1 to 4. Since this is below the x-axis, we need to take the absolute value of the result. Area 2 is from x equals 4 to 6. This is above the x-axis, so it stays positive. First, let's find the indefinite integral of our function, x squared minus 3x minus 4 dx, using the power rule. X squared becomes x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. This equals to x cubed over 3. For the second term, -3x becomes -3x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. This equals to -3x squared over 2. As for the third term, -4 becomes -4x to the power of 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. This equals to -4x. Now, put all terms together. The indefinite integral of x squared minus 3x minus 4 dx equals x cubed over 3 minus 3, x squared over 2 minus 4x. Let's handle the first section, from -1 to 4. We substitute in our upper limit, 4, and subtract the lower limit, -1. So, when x equals 4, our upper limit is 4 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 4 squared over 2 minus 4 times 4. This equals to -56 over 3. Next, we set x equal -1, our lower limit. -1 cubed over 3 minus 3 times -1 squared over 2 minus 4 times -1. This equals to 13 over 6. Now subtract the upper result, -56 over 3, from the lower result, 13 over 6. This equals to -125 over 6. As you can see, the integral is negative because it is below the axis. But since we want the area, we take the absolute value. So area 1 equals to 125 over 6. As for the second area, it will cover the section from x equals 4 to 6. We already know the value of x equals 4 is -56 over 3. Let's find the value at 6. 6 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 6 squared over 2 minus 4 times 6. This equals to -6. Now subtract the upper limit 6 from the lower limit 4. -6 minus -56 over 3. This is equal to 38 over 3. Almost there. To find the total area, we add area 1 to area 2. Area equal area 1 plus area 2 equal 125 over 6 plus 38 over 3 equals 67 over 2. So our total area is 67 over 2 units square. The key takeaway here, always check if your curve crosses the x-axis inside your interval. If it does, split the integral and treat areas as positive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.